25x on the crazy. Oh, let's apply the 25x stop start, shall we? 20x crazy time. Hey. Okay.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Would be sick. I guess we got another crazy time, second one of this session. So let's see how this crazy time will go then. So I'll see you on the other side. Good luck, my friends. Welcome to the crazy time. Wish you the best of luck on this one. Let's see how we do. Alright, so we got ourselves the green, the blue, the yellow, of course. So choose a color, choose a team. Wish you the best luck on this one. Really, Kaz? I'm sorry to hear that. Well, max multiplier is gonna be 100x, so let's go. This is close. Good luck. Well, that's gonna be 20x green, 10x blue, and then double for the yellow this time. So double the yellow. Let's see how the yellow team goes. So max multiplier for the yellow team is 200x now. So boom, good luck. Let's spin it to win it. Alright, we're doubling the double. Beautiful, beautiful. Doubling the double. We got ourselves another double. So this time we got 400x max multiplier for the yellow. Good luck, my friends. Alright, we're doubling the double that's been doubled. Doubling the double has been doubled. Double, double, double. Third double. Okay, it's getting spicy. It's getting spicy. Got it. So it's 800x max multiplier. Good luck. Wait. 4 doubles now. 4th double. Okay, alright. That's gonna be 1,200x max multiplier for the yellow. Good. Oh wait, 1,600x for the yellow max. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 27,278 euros.
Anticlimactic for so many doubles, but still 106x will take a calculation. Let's see back at the wheel. No calculations. Lowest, but still good, yeah. But hey, we'll take it. Calculations, let's sum it up now. Yeah, with no tops, I will take it. How many times left for you, Lucas? Well, I'm not Lucas, so I don't know how much Lucas has left, you know? Because I'm not Lucas. $25x on the crazy time is at top slot. Hold up. Wait a minute. Look at the speed. Wait. Ain't no way. That's a crazy time of a 25x top slot. Hold up. Wait a minute. I'll see you on the other side. Psh, good luck. Whew. I don't know what to say. 25x top slot crazy time. Well, good luck, my friends. Good luck. Whew. Okay. All right. Well, let's apply the 25x stop slot, shall we? Let's apply the 25x stop slot. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's crazy. That is crazy. Okay, 3 colors to choose from. You got the green, the blue, the yellow. 25x stop slots. Crazy stuff. Let's see, let's see, let's see. All right, so decisions are closed. Max multiplier is 2,500x. Good luck. And that's a double for the green, 375x blue, and 500x yellow. Double for green, that's crazy, man. Double for green, so we got 5,000x max multiplier for the green. Good luck. I don't know what to say, no words.
This is the amount of money issued 225,914 euros.
Congratulations, 1,000x green, 375x, sorry. You know it, you know it. Boom, congratulations, my friends. Let's have one last game with me and I'll be out. Whew. Crazy stuff. Congratulations to my friends at green 1,000x, blue 375. Anytime is open.
I'm telling you, like I'm looking at the chat and like the language sounds so interesting because it doesn't. As I'm reading it, it looks like, I don't know. Tagalog really looks like Malay, except that I can read it. 20x crazy time. Hey. Wouldn't it be funny? Wouldn't it be funny to get it right now? Wouldn't it be funny? 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 Stop! Wouldn't it be funny? 20x crazy time! What? Yo! What? All right, everybody! Follow me through the red door. Let's go see what we got. All right. Ayo. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Yo. We had 25x crazy time today with Simas, and now hit 20x? What? Okay. All right. Now that is insane. Okay, come on. Now we need something good, all right? We need to hit that something good. All right, everybody, decision time. Green, blue, or yellow? Let's see what we get. What a session. Okay. Come on, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, come on. All right, 2,000x is the highest multiplier. Come on. Some good luck. Come on, please. Some doubles. Some 2K. Come on. Come on. Jane, I got it for you. I got it. I told you it's gonna be your time today. Okay. 1K for green, 500x for blue, double for yellow. Let's see. Big 1K for green already. Okay. Whew. 4,000 is the highest multiplier. Let's go again. Big. Okay. I can't, man. I'm actually shaking, bro. What is going on today? Holy. Another double? Another double! Let's go again. Let's go again, yellow. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's go again. Ladies and gentlemen. 8K is the highest multiplier. Let's go. Let's get it. Come on. One more. Come on. Shamon.
This is the amount of money issued 854,958 euros.
Blue, 2,000x yellow. Congratulations to you all. Hey, what can I say? All right? Wow. Congratulations, everybody, because everybody got something good. But wow, insane, insane. I am. Betting time is open. Seth, I'm looking for Jane to give some blessing. Yeah. And I'm hoping that she's still here. Maybe she, I don't know, passed out from the happiness. Hey, you're all welcome now. Like, seriously, listen, I'm happy for all of you. I told you, like, I'm so hyped when I get something big. It's so fun to get something big. 7x on the cash hunt. For a top slot? Possible? Possible? Come on. Come on. Go, go, go. Go! 7x on the cash hunt as well. What is going on? Yo! All right. Aight? What? What is going on? Brother, we're going to the cash hunt with a 7x multiplier, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the cash hunt with a 7x multiplier. Come on, 500 right now. Never mind, there wasn't 500, but still. A 7x multiplier, cash hunt. Yo, what is this session? What is this? What is this? Okay, that's a good board, all right. Max multiplier 3,500? What? Yo! I am speechless. I am speechless. I'm legit speechless. Yo. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to hit this 3,500. All right, decision time, everybody. I can't speak, all right? Decision time, everybody. Take your shot, take a big item on the board. Let's see what kind of multiplier we're getting this time around. Wow. How? Auto pick, come on. Come on, give people something they want.
This is the amount of money issued 200,333 euros.
Got it. 3,500. Congratulations, you all. Betting time is open. It was in the same spot. It was legit in the same spot. Yo,
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.